Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March 11th, 2021, and we are going to be taking a look at gold, silver, the S&P 500, and Bitcoin. All right, starting with gold. Gold is looking great so far. This 9 has been very, very strong. It bounced off setup trend, and as long as we close the body of this 9 tomorrow above this green line, I will expect a 1 to 4 candle correction to the upside, potentially touching this yellow. Going over to silver. Silver is tracking in a similar fashion to gold. However, silver is not in danger of breaking below this green line. As long as silver closes above this yellow line, I think there's a really good chance that we may be coming in for a bounce to retest this trend line that was moving up that we broke down from. And it's either going to be a move there and a rejection or a break back to the upside. Going over to the S&P 500, the S&P 500 has made a new all-time high swing as of today, and it looks like we may be able to close this candle within 27 minutes at a new all-time high close as well. There's nothing else to say on the S&P 500. Everyone should be bullish the S&P 500. GameStop had a Darth Maul doji. It looks like they were stop hunting for over-leveraged longs and shorts. It did close really close to its open. That's a doji candle for you. And this 3 candle is now trying to play in that same range and looks fine. We have 27 minutes left. If this 3 candle can close above the body of this 2 candle, I think there's still more upside to go. I'm not playing with GameStop. That's a dangerous asset at the moment. All right, Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the weekly is looking amazing. It looks like we are within several centimeters of breaking the all-time high, and I think we can do it either sometime later this week, potentially Saturday or Sunday. All right, going over to the daily chart is looking amazing. As long as this 6 candle closes in the vicinity of the top of this 5 candles wick, I will expect the 7 to accelerate us to the upside. So that would make a Friday weekly setup going into the weekend really strong and could definitely print us a 9. Do I think we're going to hit that $62,000 target I have drawn? I think we can. I think we have potential to do that. We are just about touching the overbought position, and I think we can go up on the RSI. The MACD has crossed over on the daily, and I'm extremely bullish on that. We did have a wick down back into the channel. However, where we're at right now, as long as we close this whole body, I think that's going to signal for more bulls to come into the market. All right, going over to Bitcoin on the 4-hour. The 4-hour chart is looking really good. The 4-hour has flirted with the danger zone on the RSI for me. And what I see right here is we have a little bit of room for more upside. This 2 candle is important to me. Right here is what I'm seeing. Because of where this 2 candle closed, even though the structure of this candle is more bearish than bullish, the body close on this 2 candle is the highest that we've seen in this new run-up that we're having right here. So because of that, I was expecting to see more upside from this 3, and we have seen the 3 candle do what I expected, which was to start trading above the close of this 2. Now, where this 3 candle is going to end, I'm not entirely sure. It could end as a doji candle, which is fine in my opinion. I think an indecision candle followed by a pullback to this trend line is very important. I think pulling back to that trend line will push the RSI back down into the 50s, which is what I want to see, and that will give us the momentum necessary to run up past our all-time high sometime either late tonight or early tomorrow. I would like to see a pullback to the trend line. Let me repeat myself. A pullback to the trend line, a break of the all-time high to 60, and then a pullback to 58 as a retest, followed by a move to 62 over the weekend. That's my perfect play on this asset. The MACD is looking good. It's still in the positive territory, and it's flattening out even though it had crossed over. And the RSI is still looking great. Everyone should be a bull in Bitcoin right now. We are inches away from making an all-time high again. And this correction is now over. This correction basically ended right back here at $49,000 when we broke that area. And we are moving. All right, that's about everything I have to say for today. Everyone have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.